The wheels spin like dreams taking flight. Dirt jumps shimmer in morning light. Helmet on, fear out of sight. Pedals punch like a rocket's bite. I yell, I got this. Please let me be right. Among trees tall like cheering fans, I dodge roots, rocks, and questionable plans. Nature whispers, go faster, you can. While gravity plots its counter-demand. One wrong bounce and I'll invent a new dance. I soar like a legend, or maybe a kite. The bike disagrees but holds on tight. If bravery were snacks, I'd take a big bite. Hope is my compass, joy is my light. And if I fall, hey, at least it'll be a spectacular sight.